welcome back to UnlockCivil Adding Product series. Today's tutorial is about adding tiles product to your UnlockCivil page. Let's get started. Click on the three-line icon on the left top corner. Click on Manage Products and then Create New Product. Choose the category. Select your category, Tiles. Enter the product name, Vitrified Tiles Base 2x4 feet. Choose your brand, Tagaria. If you don't have to find your brand here, you can type in generic. Select the warranty period of your product. Next comes the specification section. Choose the specification, whether it is vitrified, ceramic, printed or nano tile. Let's take vitrified. Choose the color, whether it is black, white, brown or beige. Let's take beige. The size, 2x4 feet. And the tile space, whether it is a floor tile, wall tile or border tile. The usage area, bedroom, parking, living room. Let's take living room and bedroom. The thickness of your tile, 4 mm. Surface finish, whether it is glossy finish, matte finish or satin finish. Let's take glossy. Standard, it is ISO 10545 and properties, antibacterial, anti-skid or scratch resistant. This is the variants and prices section. Choose your variant type, that is the size. Enter the variant value, 2x4 feet, and the minimum order quantity, that is the least your customers can order, and the unit of measurement, that would be in square foot. Price per unit 45 and after discounted price per square feet. If you have a different size, click on Add Variant. Select the variant type, enter the variant value 2x2 feet, minimum order quantity and the unit of measurement. Price per unit, that is price per square feet, 40 and after discounted price 38. Product description. Do describe your product in detail so that your buyers have a better understanding before they buy your product. Moving on to the product keyword search. You can add up to 5 keywords here, but make sure you press enter after each keyword. Tiles vitrified, beige tile, and click on enter. This helps your buyer find your product easily. Product media, click on add image. Make sure you add clear images of your product. Click on open. Go to the second image. Click on add image. Tiles open. This is the product data sheet or catalog. This helps your buyers understand your product technically. Now click on create product. Your product is now live on UnlockCivil. Thanks for watching. Start exploring UnlockCivil today and grow your construction business smarter and faster.